Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the erupted, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Orangutans. Story. The orangutans wanted to change their condition because they were tired of being what they were, and they wanted Òrúnmìlà to complete them, since they wished to become human beings and not animals. When Òrúnmìlà performed divination for them, he saw this Òtúrá Méjì and told them to make a bow sacrifice, and in addition that they must remain silent so as not to speak prematurely about what was to come. The orangutans left, but later they gathered for a meeting to discuss Òrúnmìlà's instructions. They began to believe he had deceived them, thinking instead that it was Olókun who could fix their problem, without them needing to make a bow nor stay silent. While they were gathered, Esu appeared and told them that the next day, Olódùmarè would turn them into humans. The joy was so great that they forgot to return and correct things with Òrúnmìlà. They began to dance and celebrate the news, singing loudly, "Tomorrow Olódùmarè is going to make us people." Esu, who had been watching them, saw their disobedience and reported it to Olódùmarè. The next day, Olódùmarè sent for the orangutans and said to them, "Everyone, place your hands on the ground." And when they did, Olókun said, "Because you disobeyed and spoke of everything before it happened, you shall remain as you are, animals.